You need to protect the hostage. Secure the room.
Swapping mags!
New camera feed.
Guys, not much has happened since last time. I actually ended up injuring my shoulder at my other job, which really sucks. They think I tore a rotator cuff, so that's really gonna stop me from doing a lot of things. I did plan on taking the engine over to an engine shop, a local one, but unfortunately, because I can't really leverage it enough, I haven't had the time to ask my friends to help me. But enough of that. Nothing new here. Project's still sitting right there. I did want to try and get the front off this car, get the hood off, and get the condenser radiator and radiator support off. That way I could replace it and get it ready for some type of project. But that's not what we're here for today. For today, I'm going to be replacing the transmission pan and gasket on my Mustang. I know that's been a problem for a while, and it leaked a lot. So yeah, it should be really simple. I believe it's a 5/16 socket or and a 1 1/4 inch ratchet. Real simple. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing that today. Yeah, we should be good to go. Hopefully, I could get it to the point where it doesn't leak. But no promises. I know this transmission has been a problem for me in the past, and I do have another one sitting right there on the floor. Yep, that's another C4. Not really that great, but I do plan on doing something with it, because I know with the new engine we're definitely going to need something a little stronger to handle the power. We're back. I know I didn't show you guys a picture or include this in the video. This is going to be the pan. It's actually a little bit of an upgrade. It has a plug here. The original one does not, which sucks. This is an 11 bolt pan. Real simple. I did replace the gasket before, but the gasket that I had before was rubber. I don't really like those. For some reason they tear when you tighten them, if you don't tighten them correctly, and if you're not really paying attention, you'll end up destroying it. That's why I do have a leak, but I decided to go with the cork. I just feel it's better for what I'm going to use it for. Make sure you guys have a good jack, and that you choose a good jacking point. That is important. Usually I like to on these cars, they don't really have jacking points, so I just jack it off the chassis. Yep. All right, let me jack this thing up. Okay, so I lied. It looks like you can actually use where the lower control arms connect for here and over there. Those are much better jacking points than just using a chassis. So much easier to leverage and less chance for it to slip or you know, move away. Let me get this thing jacked up. I just figured I'd mention that, and then I'm gonna run a time lapse for me removing it and putting it in, so that you guys don't have to watch every little detail. Just make sure that when you're tightening or undoing the screws that you always leave the 4 corners, and then you take the 2 off to drain it, and then when you install it, you just line them all up and put the four corners up first, and then run it in a crisscross, because that'll be much better, especially since you guys know that I had originally torn my gasket, which sucks. That will help prevent that, definitely. All right, let's get this rolling. Alright, now we just keep it simple. We just gotta fill this up with some transmission fluid. You start off with 2 quarts. And then slowly work my way up.